Welcome to this tutorial on Debank charts, a powerful tool for analyzing and tracking cryptocurrency portfolios. In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of using Debank charts to make informed investment decisions. First, let's start with the basics. Debank is a blockchain analytics platform that provides users with detailed insights into their cryptocurrency holdings. The platform offers a range of tools and features, including Debank charts, which allow users to visualize their portfolio performance over time. To get started with Debank charts, you will need to create an account on the Debank platform. Once you have registered, you can connect your cryptocurrency wallets and exchanges to the platform. This will enable Debank to track your portfolio and provide you with detailed analytics and insights. Next, navigate to the Debank charts section of the platform. Here, you will see a range of options and settings that allow you to customize your charts and track your portfolio performance. You can choose to view your charts in different time frames, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. And you can also select specific assets or portfolios to track. One of the key features of Debank charts is the ability to track your portfolio's value over time. This is done using a range of metrics, including the total value of your portfolio, the percentage change in value, and the daily profit and loss. By analyzing these metrics, you can gain a deeper understanding of your portfolio's performance and make informed decisions about your investments. In addition to tracking portfolio value, Debank charts also provide users with detailed insights into their asset allocation. This includes the percentage of your portfolio allocated to different assets, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other cryptocurrencies. By analyzing your asset allocation, you can identify areas where you may be over or underexposed and make adjustments to optimize your portfolio. To get the most out of Debank charts, it's essential to use them in conjunction with other tools and features on the Debank platform. For example, you can use the platform's risk analysis tool to identify potential risks in your portfolio and make adjustments to mitigate them. You can also use the platform's portfolio rebalancing tool to automatically adjust your portfolio to ensure it remains aligned with your investment goals. Best practices for using Debank charts include regularly reviewing and updating your portfolio, diversifying your assets to minimize risk, and using the platform's risk analysis and portfolio rebalancing tools to optimize your investments. By following these best practices and using Debank charts to track your portfolio performance, you can make informed investment decisions and achieve your financial goals. In conclusion, Debank charts are a powerful tool for analyzing and tracking cryptocurrency portfolios. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can use Debank charts to gain a deeper understanding of your portfolio's performance and make informed decisions about your investments. Remember to regularly review and update your portfolio, diversify your assets, and use the platform's risk analysis and portfolio rebalancing tools to optimize your investments.